Monster Exchange is when you get to make your own animal and you get to color it in, and then you'll get to write a description and then send it to Turkey. You'll get a person and then they will write it back to you, the same animal that you made.
My favorite part about Monster Exchange was decorating the monster. I liked all the monsters because some were cute, some were funny, and a lot of them had like a lot of stuff on them, which made them very festive. Our monster was Clarabelle. During Monster Exchange, I got to draw our monster with Kate. We each did different parts of the monster to make it look like Clarabelle.
I was so excited to get my free drawn monster back, and now it's way better than the last monster, our original one. My monster's name is Little Miss Pinky. She is checkered. She has a hair that has a heart on it, and she has swirly hands, and she has mittens, and she has bird feet and regular feet, and she has pine trees growing out of her.
One of the things we did was a monster trap. A monster trap is a trap for our monsters that we made, and an example for a monster trap is sometimes people make jails and prisons and that kind of stuff. We put our monster traps in voice threads so our friends in Turkey can ask questions and comments.
I like the Monster Exchange because when I was reading the directions to draw the people in Turkey's monster, I drew it and then it looked really funny and I started laughing.
When we made our description for our monsters, we had to explain it really well because our friends in Turkey were learning English. We learned about the city where our friends lived, and we took a picture with the Turk flag.
My favorite part in Monster Exchange was making the monster and Pixie. I liked getting my monster back because it looked exactly the same.
What I like about these monsters is we can do anything that the Turkey people in Turkey can draw. And with my two other partners, Binny and Milo, by the way, my name is Asher and my partners were Binny and Milo. We made a dragon with a spiky tail and two-headed, and it's breathing fire.
My favorite part about Monster Exchange is making the final picture.
The thing I like about Monster Exchange is that you can experience making your own monster. My monster's name is Mr. Pencilhead. He has a square head and pencil feet, and he has a zigzag body.
My monster is named Mrs. Everything because she has everything. My favorite part about Monster Exchange was when we gave the kids at the SES school our monsters and so they could draw our monsters, and then I also liked it when they sent us their monsters so we could draw their monsters.
We love Monster Exchange!